Mr. People, I want to see the one bag of rich people them last night at Dash Money in the club, you know. So my jeans shorts, yeah. I want to tell you how me beg say just this alone me could have walk away with. I told you know me. Original scraper. Nobody watch a dollar them, $100 US, $100. You know how much this in a Jamaica? Sorry, say me never have on the right set of pants for scrape. Enough. Yeah, at the time. Sorry, said a little bit of shorts. Me it could hold, everything could hold in the jeans shorts and the little purse. Bex? I don't know who Bex like me. I don't know when I'm going to wear a little bit of shorts there for. But watch next time. Just watch. Alright, K-Mob. Uno win. Alright. I'm going to delete the picture. I'm going to take it down. Good cash, man. Okay, man. Try.